Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin ISNIN, and today I will tell to you all about tools for business intelligence and analytics. So for tools for business intelligence and analytics, there are three, which is Microsoft Power BI, Table AU, and ClickView. First is Microsoft Power BI. It is a collection of software, service, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated source of data into coherent, visually immersive, and interactive insight. The purpose of these tools is to run reports, surface insight based on a company data. Next, we go on to the advantage and disadvantage. So the first advantage is a very low cost. Power BI is expensive. It is free to use if you want to build reports for yourself. One person could create database, dashboard, and reports in Power BI and share it to the co-workers if they want to give it, and they can use it for their analysis. Next is a learning curve. Power is easy to use. It's basically a pivot tables with access data visualization tools taken to the next level. Next is a constant updates and innovation. Microsoft release its update to these tools every month. Plus, and more important, they also listen to their user community. So the user is easy to submit suggestions, and there is always room for improvement to make their tools better. The disadvantage of these tools is the user interface. It is has a very bulky user interface. The sidebar and formula help window can often block the view of the writer, making scrolling dashboard requires some effort. But I think it would be nice if there was a native feature to make the user interface clean and easy to use. Next, rigid formulas. The tools does have shortcoming. It allows you to create new data with formulas, but there are limitations. Also, there is a constant statements where only combines two elements. Although the native visual and to a large part of custom visual are not configurable, there is often desire to optimize visual, and there are limitations and what can be actually changed. Next is a Table AU. It is a software company that offers collaborative data visualization software for organization working for business information analytics. The purpose is to support ad hoc analysis for the everyday user, giving everyone in the business ability to better see and understand their data. The advantage of these tools is quickly create interactive visualization. Using drag and drop function, the user create interactive visual within a minute. The interface can also handle variation while also limiting you from creating charts that are against data visualization best practice. It also handle a large amount of data. It can handle millions of rows of data with ease. Different type of visualization can be created with a large amount of data without impacting performance of the dashboard. But just but not least, of the advantage is ease of implementation. There are many different type of visualization options available, which enhance the user experience. Also, it's very to learn compared to Python, business objects, and Domo. Anyone without knowledge of coding can easily table AU. So next we go on to the disadvantage. First is scheduling or notification of report. Does not provide features of automated refreshing of the report with the help of scheduling. There is no option for scheduling in table AU. Next is static and single value parameter. The parameter are static and always single value can be selected using parameter. Whenever data gets changed, these parameters need to be updated manually every time. There's no way user automate the updating of the parameters. Next is a scaling and price for enterprise. It is one of the more expensive option for security and sharing. The only option is a server which can $135,000 for an 8-core option and $35 per user. Alternatively, You also can use Stable AU online, which is limited, but it's $35 per user. This can accumulate if you are trying to pay, if trying to have a large number of user access the reports.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Hadi bin ASROL. Okay, today I'm presenting the click view. The definition is the click view is the flexible business intelligence platform that allows the user to transit data. Okay, the purpose is the user could consolidate, search and visually analyze all their data to to perfect the knowledge of their business. Okay, we have the advantage and disadvantage. First, the advantage is low maintenance. The implementation of the software is very simple and hassle free. Even in the later years, the software doesn't need much maintenance or technical supervision. Okay, the second advantage is the data security. The data security provision of the tool is very stringent, and the creators guarantee the safety of critical corporate data. Full assurance of the security breach is given to the customer. And the lastly for advantage is cheap cost. ClickView is very cost effective. A free trial is also available on the official site. The hardware required for ClickView is also in affordable range. And then for the disadvantage is less RAM limit. ClickView can load heavy data, but the computer's RAM set a limit to it. The extent of data load depends on the RAM of the system. And then work on all functions. ClickView has gone all in the sense of the tools and interface it offers to the customers. It lets the newly like drag and drop function and modern interface which give the latest competitors an edge of ClickView. And then the last for the disadvantage is require much extra purchase. Although ClickView is affordable when compared to the other BI giants like Congo, small scale enterprise still find it pricey. Along with the best price, ClickView demands a lot extra purchase.
So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
And credit to me, Muhammad bin ISNIN, presenter, which is Muhammad Iman bin ISNIN, which is me, and Muhammad Hadi bin Muhammad ASROL, Arif AIMAN bin NASARUDIN for making the report, and for making the slides, NURHAN SYAZWAN bin ABDUL and Muhammad HAZIM SHAFIQ bin SAIMRAN. So thank you.